To help you get over your fear of being cheated on, 9 tips that really work. Being cheated on can leave scars that are difficult to heal. It's more than just heartbreak. It's a wound that shakes your confidence, self-worth, and trust in others. This betrayal doesn't just affect your romantic relationships. It impacts the way you see yourself and how you interact with the world. If you've experienced infidelity, you know how it feels to carry around the fear that it might happen again. This fear can weigh heavily on your heart, making it difficult to fully trust or love someone new. But here's the truth. You don't have to live under the shadow of betrayal forever. There are ways to overcome this fear and rebuild your ability to trust and connect deeply. Let's dive into 9 powerful tips that can help you face your fears, heal from the past, and embrace a brighter future. 1. Work on your low self-esteem. Self-love is the foundation of a healthy relationship. If you don't believe you're worthy of love, it's easy to fall into a cycle of fear and doubt. When you have low self-esteem, you're more likely to interpret your partner's actions as a sign of impending betrayal. Start by looking inward. What makes you unique? What are your strengths? Take time to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. Consider therapy or counseling to address deep-seated insecurities. When you love yourself, you become less reliant on others for validation. This doesn't mean you won't value your partner's opinion, but it does mean you'll be better equipped to handle the ups and downs of a relationship without spiraling into fear. 2. Date someone you can truly trust. Trust is the backbone of any successful relationship. Without it, even the strongest love can falter. Ask yourself honestly, do I trust my partner? If the answer is no, it's important to figure out why. Is it because of your past experiences? Or is there something about their behavior that raises red flags? Sometimes, the issue isn't your fear, it's their actions. If your partner exhibits suspicious behaviors or dismisses your concerns, you may need to reevaluate the relationship. On the other hand, if they've given you no reason to doubt their loyalty, it's worth examining how your past experiences might be influencing your perception. A relationship built on mutual trust and respect is one where love can truly thrive. If trust is missing, it's time to address the root of the problem, whether that means working on your fears or considering whether this is the right relationship for you. 3. Set clear boundaries. Boundaries are essential for maintaining respect and understanding in a relationship. They communicate your needs and let your partner know what you consider acceptable and unacceptable behavior. Without boundaries, misunderstandings can easily arise. For example, imagine your partner has a habit of being overly friendly with others, and it makes you uncomfortable. They might see it as harmless fun, while you perceive it as a sign of disrespect or potential infidelity. The solution: communicate your feelings and set clear boundaries. Boundaries aren't about controlling your partner. They're about creating a safe space for both of you to thrive. When both partners respect each other's limits, it fosters trust and reduces the likelihood of conflict. 4. Communicate your fears. Fear thrives in silence. If you're afraid your partner might cheat on you, the worst thing you can do is keep those fears bottled up. Instead, talk to them. Be honest about your feelings and the experiences that have shaped them. A good partner will listen without judgment and work with you to address your concerns. They'll reassure you of their commitment and help you feel secure in the relationship. Remember, vulnerability isn't a sign of weakness. It's a pathway to deeper connection. By opening up, you not only address your fears, but also create an opportunity for your partner to support you. 5. Stop snooping. Snooping might feel like a way to protect yourself, but in reality, it often does more harm than good. When you invade your partner's privacy, you're not just breaking their trust, you're also feeding your own paranoia. Imagine finding a text from a coworker that says, "I miss you." Without context, your mind might jump to the worst possible conclusion. But what if that coworker had been away from work, and your partner simply missed their presence in the office? Instead of snooping, focus on building open communication. Trust is a two-way street, and respecting your partner's privacy is a crucial part of that. 6. Let go of the worry. Here's a reality check. If someone wants to cheat, they will. No amount of worrying, checking, or questioning can prevent it. This might sound harsh, but it's also liberating. When you accept that you can't control your partner's actions, you free yourself from the exhausting cycle of fear and suspicion. Instead, focus on what you can control: your own actions, thoughts, and emotions. By letting go of worry, you create space for positivity and growth in your relationship. 7. Focus on the positives. When fear takes over, it's easy to lose sight of what's good in your relationship. But dwelling on the negatives won't help you move forward. Take a moment to reflect on why you chose to be with your partner. What do you love about them? What moments have brought you joy? By focusing on the positives, you remind yourself of the reasons your relationship is worth fighting for. This shift in perspective can help reduce fear and strengthen your bond. 8. Face the fear head-on. What's the worst that could happen? It's a scary question, but it's also a powerful one. By confronting your fear directly, you can take away its power. Imagine the worst-case scenario: your partner cheats. Then ask yourself, and then what? Follow this thought process until you reach the root of your fear. Often, it's not about the betrayal itself, but deeper issues like fear of rejection or abandonment. Understanding the true source of your fear allows you to address it directly, giving you the tools to move forward with confidence. 9. Know that you'll be okay. Here's a truth you need to hold on to. No matter what happens, you'll survive. Being cheated on is painful, but it doesn't define you. You are stronger and more resilient than you realize. While infidelity might feel like the end of the world, it's not. You have the power to heal, grow, and move forward, whether with your current partner or on your own. Embrace this strength and know that no matter what life throws your way, you'll be okay. Final thoughts. Fear of being cheated on can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to control your life. By working on your self-esteem, setting boundaries, and focusing on open communication, you can overcome this fear and build healthier relationships. Remember, healing takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and celebrate every step forward. You deserve a relationship filled with trust, love, and mutual respect, and it starts with believing that you do. Take these tips to heart, and let them guide you toward a brighter, more confident future. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.